we talk about citizenship as a qualifying principle for the president. And yet, as we talk right now, hindi na pag-uusapan yung ekta-ektaryang lupain sa Kasiguran Aurora na tinatambakan ng APECO. Bakit tungkol sa personalidad ng eleksyon? Bakit hindi na napapakinggan ng mga tao? Kailan sila papakinggan? Kaya ang ginawa po namin, nagsusulat po kami ng voters education since time immemorial. Tinayo po ang Simbahang Lingkod ng Bayan noong 1986 nung People Power. 30 taon na po kami. Over the years, napapansin po namin yung voters education na marami palang kulang. So we're evolving it. And we thought na aside from making it Socratic, drawing it out from the people instead of telling them what to do, para inisip namin, pwede bang magkwentuhan naman tayo? Mag-usap tayo. And more importantly, can we listen? So we thought of Kwentuhang Bayan. Because we have observed that people are very active in two instances. Kapag may bagyo, and you will notice the mga exhibits, no, marami pong tungkol sa bagyo, at kapag may eleksyon. Kaya lang, in between, kulang pa tayo. Kaya parang we'd like to encourage, can we go beyond elections? And can we continue this conversation? Our greatest innovation is changing power dynamics. Kasi madalas, pinakikinggan lang natin yung kandidato kung anong gusto niya at namimili lang tayo, baliktarin natin. Ask the people their issues, ask their agenda, ask them what they want, ask them about their issues, and then bring them to a platform, and then ask the candidates to react. That's why in the presidential debate that we're organizing, we will be presenting the people's agenda first, then we ask the presidentiable to actually react to this agenda. Honestly, some presidentiables have already approached us also because we're not only crowdsourcing problems, we are effectively crowdsourcing solutions. Can we change power dynamics? Balik po natin sa mga tao, pakinggan natin sila. And we have 2 success stories, one fisher folk and one community in Quezon City. Sinabi nila yung gusto nila, nakinig yung mga kandidato. Ibalik natin ang kapangyarihan sa mga bumoboto. Magandang umaga po.